What if a house looked like a giant folded paper sculpture? Welcome to the Origami House in Dallas. This is where architecture truly meets the ancient art of origami. This remarkable home was designed by architect John Edgar Barthel and built in the mid-1900s. It's nestled in the leafy Highland Meadows neighborhood, and the Origami House stands out, not just for its location, but for its bold geometric design. It seems to defy conventional architecture. It's a home that challenges everything we think about structure, form, and how a building interacts with the world around it. Now, the most striking feature, it's the folded plate roof. This is what gives the home its origami nickname. From above, the angles create sharp, dramatic lines that play with light and shadow all day long. Every plane, every single fold, is intentional. It was designed not just for beauty, but for pure structural innovation. As you walk around the house, your eye naturally follows the sharp edges and the soaring angles. It's almost like you're watching a paper sculpture brought to life. The materials used in the Origami House are just as thoughtful as its design. Wood, brick, and glass come together to create a home that feels both modern and wonderfully warm. Floor-to-ceiling glass walls blur the line between the indoors and the outdoors. They let in floods of natural light and offer stunning uninterrupted views of the surrounding trees. This transparency creates a dialogue with nature. It invites the outside in, rather than keeping it at a distance. And speaking of nature, the house was carefully placed to respond to its wooded lot. Its design takes full advantage of the slope and the orientation of the land. This gives the homeowners panoramic views, while still maintaining their privacy. Every angle, every window placement is completely purposeful. It makes the building feel like it grew right out of the land, rather than just being placed on top of it. Inside, the layout is as innovative as the exterior. Open spaces flow naturally from one area to another. The rooms are positioned to follow the folds of the roof above. The circulation is seamless, and the interior volume matches the dramatic exterior geometry. It gives you a sense of lightness and openness that very few homes ever achieve. Of course, building a home with such a complex roof design came with challenges. Engineers had to account for structural integrity, weatherproofing, and all those unique roof angles. But by overcoming these challenges, they created a home that is not just visually stunning, but structurally impressive. It's a true testament to the creativity and skill of its architect. The Origami House is also a window into the future of architecture. Its emphasis on geometric forms, transparency, and integration with nature aligns perfectly with modern trends. Think biophilic design and warm minimalism. It shows us that architect doesn't have to be just functional. It can be a sculptural, artistic expression that inspires and delights. In the end, the Origami House isn't just a building. It's a piece of art, a study in geometry, a bold statement about what a home can truly be. So tell me, which angle or detail do you find the most fascinating? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more architectural journeys just like this one. Thanks for watching.